Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Are you ready to explore the 2014 Porsche Cayenne? This luxury SUV offers a perfect blend of performance, style, and comfort. In this video, we take a closer look at the features and specifications of the 2014 Porsche Cayenne, including its powerful engine options, sophisticated interior design, and advanced technology. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply looking for a reliable and stylish vehicle, the 2014 Porsche Cayenne is sure to impress. Join us as we dive into the world of this stunning SUV and discover what makes it stand out from the rest. This luxury SUV combines performance, style, and comfort in one sleek package. Starting with the exterior, the Cayenne's design is unmistakably Porsche. From its signature front grille to its muscular curves, this SUV exudes elegance and power. Moving inside, the Cayenne offers a refined cabin with premium materials and top-notch craftsmanship. The seating is comfortable, and the technology is cutting-edge, providing a luxurious driving experience. Under the hood, the Cayenne offers a range of powerful engine options, delivering impressive performance and handling. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling off-road terrain, the Cayenne can handle it all with ease. Overall, the 2014 Porsche Cayenne is a versatile and capable SUV that offers a blend of luxury and performance. With its sleek design, luxurious interior, and powerful engine options, the Cayenne is sure to impress any driver. The Cayenne comes equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, and curtain airbags to protect occupants in the event of a collision. Additionally, the Cayenne features traction and stability control systems to help prevent skidding and loss of control. The Cayenne also offers advanced driver assist features such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to help you stay safe on the road and avoid potential accidents. And for those times when you need to park in tight spaces, the Cayenne offers a 360-degree camera system to help you navigate with ease. Plus, the Cayenne's high-strength steel body structure provides added protection in the event of a collision. So if safety is a top priority for you, consider the Porsche Cayenne. With its advanced safety features and cutting-edge technology, the Cayenne offers the ultimate peace of mind for you and your passengers. The Porsche Cayenne Performance, a powerful SUV that combines luxury and speed like never before. With its sleek design and advanced engineering, the Cayenne Performance is in a class of its own. Under the hood, you'll find a high-performance engine that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. From the moment you press the accelerator, you'll feel the raw power of the Cayenne Performance. The handling is precise and responsive, making every twist and turn on the road a thrilling experience. Inside the cabin, you'll find a luxurious interior that's designed for both comfort and style. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road terrain, the Cayenne Performance is ready for any adventure. Experience the ultimate blend of performance and luxury with the Porsche Cayenne Performance. From its impressive acceleration to its responsive handling, this vehicle is sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. Join us as we explore the performance features that make the Porsche Cayenne stand out from the competition. If you're in the market for a high-performance SUV that doesn't sacrifice luxury or comfort, the Porsche Cayenne is definitely worth considering. With its sleek design and top-of-the-line engineering, this vehicle is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Thanks for watching our exploration of the 2014 Porsche Cayenne. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and updates.